Well, I'm heading out on another project. I am going to Double Island again. Did a video on that in the past if you want to see more about it. Gonna do a couple of more interior shots and get some drone work going a little bit later. The broker is picking me up and we are gonna catch the ferry and then we're gonna catch a skiff and get some of the late daylight today and catch the late ferry back, so it will be close to midnight before I'm home. I am going light. I got a small camera kit, got the small UAV, and the most important thing, some grub to get me through. After we're all done, I'll have my dinner with me for the ferry ride home. It's kind of interesting doing this by myself. My wife, Chris, is traveling to be with family. She is such an integral part of my day-to-day life. We've been together since we were 16 and 17. Been married for 39 years and together for over 40 years. So I am so dependent on her. She's much more independent. She can do just fine without me, but I am a basket case without her. The business, in construction, the photography, eating, everything we do, she is the grand master and keeps me going. In fact, gives me the ability to just have fun and be creative and to be organized and all the things that I enjoy so much. I got a comment yesterday pointing me to another YouTube video that I wanted to share with you guys. So I believe it was Mark who put a link and said, hey, check out this guy with tiny house plans and using these library tracks. So I clicked on that link and went over and checked it out and found it quite interesting. Now I like smaller homes and being more efficient, building better quality, and being more efficient with space. That's what Smart Woodshop is about. That's what my workbenches are about. It is how I live. The house that I live in is 900 feet and it's palatial. It's well designed, and our next house is going to be a little bit bigger. We're not into the tiny house phenomenon, although there's a lot to be learned from them to make the little bit bigger spaces super efficient, so that our next house, which we're thinking is going to be about 1,200 feet, and about half of that's going to be kitchen. It's going to be a kitchen basically with some other peripheral rooms to sleep in and do our laundry. This video is QB 1, 2, and 3. This particular one is about QB 3, and it's research, I believe, in Scotland, and they build these modular spaces that are very small that can convert. And this one, they use we've all seen them in our doctor's offices and in big file rooms and in libraries, where they roll the file cabinets away and get to others. They're able to stack them up, and they've used that concept to make the interior space of the smaller spaces very modular, so the kitchen can be bigger when it needs to be bigger, the bathroom, the bedroom, etc. Whatever time of day it is, the space converts. And I will put a link to this video in the description of this video, so you can go check it out. And you can follow through then and see some of their other videos. They've already had 126, almost 127,000 views and 1.7 thousand likes. So it's a pretty good video. I'll give you a little peek here.
So here we are inside QB3, and as I said before, it's 36 cubic meters of volume, but we've tried to use those 36 cubic meters in an innovative way, and that way is probably best illustrated if I go to this end of the building and show you the bathroom. So here we have a sliding door, nothing particularly innovative about that perhaps. Behind that sliding door we have a wash basin and a toilet. But the important feature of QB3 that makes it so space efficient and therefore energy efficient is that we can unlock this wall here with the kitchen on it, and we can move it about 60 centimeters in that dimension, and we can lock it there in that position, and then we've got access to a shower and a washing machine in the bathroom. So come on in and I'll show you that. We've got a washing machine, we've got a full-size shower, we've got the toilet and the wash basin, and then we can slide this sliding door for any position of the wall to get privacy in the bathroom at this end of QB3.
So whether you're an interior designer, a new house builder, you want to add on to your house, you want to make some of the space you have more efficient, take some time to search these things out. And I want to thank Mark for bringing it to my attention. I'm always looking for stuff like this, always looking for new ideas. Again, it doesn't mean I'll use them specifically, but a lot of times when you see things like this, it opens up your creativity when you see the way others are addressing things, that you can then leverage that information and use it in your own life and your own work life as well to offer a better product or a better quality of life yourself. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Most important, share the channel with others so I can grow my subscriber base. And if you want a set of the smart woodshop plans or my Paulk Workbench 2 or the Paulk Tool Station or the stand-up desk, you can click on the link right here in this video or in the description down below. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.